I'm here with Jeff Finkelstein, Executive Director for Network Architecture at Cox, and we're talking about distribution. So Jeff, tell me about what are some of the key values that distributed solutions can offer for the future of cable access?
So the key values for distributed futures as we increase the speeds in our networks, as we increase the complexity of the modulations, as we try to find new and creative ways to add more capacity into our cable network, is that we recognize that we are limited by the amount of space that we have in our facilities. That one of the most expensive things we as cable operators can do is add more capacity into our plant. By being able to distribute functionality, some into the plant, which is where we have to have that final kind of touch to get to the customer, and taking things that can be done in software and moving those up further into the network, into the higher network layers, gives us the ability to take most optimal use of the technologies that are out there. For example, what we put up in the plant, we can use commercial off-the-shelf hardware. What we put closer to the customer, we need custom ASICs because things are running at line rate. So it gives us the ability to actually reach more customers with fewer technologies and at the same time save on space, power, cooling, etc., that we would normally put into a hub site facility.
Okay, what is the future of DAA for MSOs in the US? What are some of the key opportunities and values?
Some of the key benefits for operators in general, and I don't think it's a US specific, deals with the power, cooling, space requirements that we typically talk about when we look at it from a head-end perspective. Now the features of it is, the key feature goes back to the cooling, but it's also that we get closer to the customer, we get better performance overall in the plant, which makes us much more competitive with this HFC infrastructure that we've put in place and we've been monetizing for a long time. HFC has a very long useful life, but we need to take advance or use these advanced technologies in order to extend it in a very critical way to provide the best-in-class services we can for our customers. There are, slowly as the economy picks up and the housing bubble has sort of been self-healing, we are getting a lot of greenfield opportunities. And this is a time that we can look at leveraging these distributed access architectures for these new builds, or as opportunity presents itself, possibly look at using other technologies such as PON or wireless.
Jeff, thanks for your time.
You're very welcome. Thanks for having me.